too. Hope you're all right today. So this is my science experiment. I'm very excited. These pots are very crinkled. They've been in the post and I've been waiting for them to arrive for ages, and luckily they arrived today. So just in time for our cress experiment. So the learning today is to make a prediction, okay? And you're going to make a prediction on a cress experiment that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be planting these cress seeds, but in different conditions. So some with water, some with no water, some with sunlight, some with no sunlight, and some with all of it and some with none of it at all. And we're going to see which one grows the best. So growing the best would mean that it's sprouted, it looks a nice, healthy, fresh green colour. Not growing very well is obviously it's not growing, or it might grow a different colour. I don't know. I want you to make the prediction. So let's go. So this is pot A, okay? And I'm going to plant my pot A with water and sunlight. So I'm going to put this outside once I've done it. You probably can't see that, but I will remember that and I can show you. This is A with water and sunlight. So I've already got soil in all of these, so you probably can't see very well. I'm going to make a little hole and I'm going to pour some of my cress seeds in to make sure I don't put all of them in. That wouldn't be very good, would it? Pour some of the cress seeds in. You can probably see them. I'll just pick this up. Here you go. There are the cress seeds. Put that back. And I'm going to cover the soil over. So they're all nice. They're tucked up in bed. And then it's asked, I'm going to put water as well. So I'm going to use my lovely little watering can, which I got from IKEA. And I'm going to pour some water into this pot. Okay? So that is A. Water and sunlight. So I'm going to take that outside in a minute. Okay? B. This is water and no sunlight. Okay? Is it? Yes. Water and no sunlight. So again, I'm going to make a little hole. I'm going to pour these cress seeds into the top. I'm going to cover them all up so they're all tucked in their cosy bed. And then it is water and no sunlight. So I'm going to put that under my kitchen sink. So this is water and no sunlight. Okay, I've got lots of lovely water there. C is no water and sunlight. This is going to go and live with letter A. Okay, that is not going to have any water. Right, I'm going to make a little hole again. Pour the cress seeds in. Tuck them all away. And that's all I'm going to do. That's all I'm doing with this one. And then D is no water and no sunlight. Okay, so that's going to go and live with B under the kitchen sink. Okay, I'm covering that up, pouring the cress seeds in, tucking them all away. Okay, so I have got A, water and sunlight, B, water and no sunlight, C, no water and sunlight, and D, no water and no sunlight. Okay, they all look pretty similar now. Obviously A and B are a little bit wetter. I don't know if you can see that, so I'm not very good at holding this camera. So I'm now going to put A and C outside. So we're going to go together. I'm going to go outside. I'm going to pop it onto our barbecue. Just going to put it on here. So you've seen it's outside. I'm going to go and get, I think it's C now. Yep, so water and no water, but sunlight. So that's outside as well. Okay, got these two. Now, I'm now going to take B, which is water and no sunlight, and D, no water and no sunlight. I'm going to go and we're going to go on a little trip to the kitchen and we're going to put them under the kitchen sink. So you can see them there. All right, I'm going to shut the door so there will be no light whatsoever, okay? One's got water in, one has got nothing in, and there's no sunlight, okay? Door is shut. Now, what do you think is going to grow best? Which plant is going to grow best? I've got an idea. I'm not going to share it with you, but I have a feeling that I know which one it's going to be. So your challenge is to, in your green books, I want you to write which one you think is going to grow the best. As a challenge, you could maybe write about each one and talk about what you think is going to happen for each one as well, okay? Then, in a week's time, I'm going to get them all out again and we're going to see which one grew the best. Okay, right, have a good day. Bye-bye.